In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hollyland Lark M2 to GoPro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which GoPro model you have, you will be able to connect and use your Hollyland Lark M2 microphone with the camera. So all that you have to do to set up this connection is to grab the receiver. So another thing that you need to keep in mind is that you can only establish this connection if you are using the media mod. The media mod will give you a place where you can mount the Hollyland receiver, and it is going to give you the appropriate ports to connect the receiver using a cable. So if you don't have it already, buy a media mod for your GoPro. This is going to differ for every model, but once you have it mounted, it's as simple as sliding it into the media mod, which is essentially an outer casing, and now you will have access to a 3.5mm microphone input jack. So this is where you will be able to connect the Hollyland Lark M2 microphones. So all that you have to do now is grab the receiver, and as you can see, there is a 3.5mm output jack. Now with the provided cable, you can plug one end of the cable into the receiver, and then the other one goes into the media mod port. So as soon as you have this connection established between the receiver and the GoPro media mod, that's all you have to do. If you start recording with your GoPro, it is going to pick up the audio. Make sure that the transmitters are properly connected to the receiver. This can be done by taking them out of the case. The lights will start blinking and they should automatically pair up between each other. If this does not happen, press the yellow button on the transmitters and this will force them to go into pairing mode and establish the connection automatically. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Hollyland Lark M2 to GoPro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.